Welcome back. We'll continue the Python lab programs. So, in this session we will talk about we will discuss about the 10th program, that is related to write a Python program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not by not using any built-in string manipulation methods. So, I think first here two things we need to understand. One is string is palindrome or not, that is what the requirement is. You need to find out whether the string is palindrome or not. That means first we need to understand what do you mean by palindrome. Palindrome we know that. So, either way you just go into left to right or right to way, even like you can say VTU. Left to right means VTU, reverse order means UTV. So, both the traversal left to right traversal or right to left traversal, both the direction the string should remain same. So, like as simple VTV you can say, or either left to right V, first character is what V, second character is T, third character is V, that is left to right. Again you come back from right to left, first character is V, second character is T, third character is also V. So, either way if you just traverse, the result should be the same, then only we can say it is a palindrome. That is the primary requirement, but there is one class in the problem itself. What is that? So, directly if that is the case, it is a string reverse. One is string, as VTU is a string, the reverse of string is UTV. So, directly you can use, so there is a function called reverse, string reverse. If you apply that, you can compare, both are same, then you can say it is a palindrome, or if not, then you say it is not a palindrome. That is the reason they have mentioned to check whether the given string is palindrome or not, but using built-in string manipulation methods. So, by just using that constraints, we just try to find out whether the string is palindrome or not. So, see here, first input as a string to check the palindrome status. Process, what is the process? First because there are sometimes VTU, even there is a uppercase VTU, both are same, but since the cases, first string is all in lower case, second string is in all in uppercase, both are same, but cases are not matching. So, again it will not return true, because both are, even though is a character because of cases. So, that is the reason always one primary requirement is you just convert any in one particular cases, either into uppercase or into a lower case. That is the reason convert the string into the lower case. In this case I am just what I did, I have converted the string to lower case to make the comparison case sensitive, or else maybe there is one more method, ignore case is there, we need to ignore whether it is upper or lower, we need to ignore, but we just only thing is we need to match the character irrespective of the case. But since we just convert it to one case and then we will try to compare. So, remove the spaces and non-alphanumeric characters to ensure that comparison only considers the alphanumeric content. If any spaces are there, you remove and you just make sure that, because sometimes in between there will be one or more than one space. One contains one space and another one contains two spaces, but rest will be same. In that case also it will get failed. That is the reason you remove, only you take the alphanumeric content. Compare the cleaned string, this is the cleaning process. After the cleaning the process, you compare the cleaned string with the reverse. Reverse string means, so as already I think we know that, that is a splitting concept. So, here see there is a start, end, minus 1. What is this? 2 colon, the splitting the elements, the characters we can say. Here if you do not specify anything and immediately we have a colon, that means you start from the beginning and there will be a no end. End element is also not given, means you just go till the end, and minus 1. Minus 1 means what? In a reverse direction you come. That means here there is no start position, there is no end position. That means you consider all the characters in a given string, but the increment is what? The third is what? The step counter value. So, that means you need to step, but minus 1 means what? We need to come in a reverse direction. So, that is what, that is how this is a simple way to apply or do the reverse, get the reverse string. So, if they are equal, the string is palindrome. If it is not equal, it is not a palindrome. The program prints whether the given string is palindrome or not, that is the output. See, a man, a plan to canal Panama, sorry, a man, a plan, a canal Panama. See here, a man, a plan, a canal, then a Panama. So, obviously, so first so this, look at this string and try to understand. This is a string. After converting to lower case, see, a also will be converted to lower case, and here p is also there in the lower case, and in between there is a spaces. After converting to lower case and removing the non-alphanumeric characters, the string is like this. There is no space here, all upper cases are converted into lower case. Now, you do apply this process, you will get the reverse of that string, and you compare both. Then if it is both are same, then you can say it is a palindrome. So, simple way to implement. See here, this is a function def is palindrome, S is what? Your string. Now, I am converting that into, how do you convert the string into a lower case? Simple, S dot lower case, S dot lower, and store the same into the even if some any uppercase characters, everything will be converted into lower and stored in the same S, and remove the spaces if any in that are non-numeric characters. How do you do that? Just, and then we need to join. You see here the code is just we are checking any spaces. You will remove it. That means if there is no spaces, and you join them character, you just take one by one in the entire character array and store the result finally into the S. And now you cleaned string. Now S is what? Cleaned string. We have removed, we have converted upper to lower, we have removed all the spaces and non-numeric, non-alphanumeric characters, and we are applying the reverse. See, S colon colon minus 1, and store it in the A. And now here itself I am checking S equal to S of colon colon minus 1. If both are matching, then it returns true. Then again I am sending that result back to the calling function. See the example, string to check, this is an string we are checking. If is palindrome, it returns true, then it is saying a string is palindrome, or else string is not a palindrome. So, the output is a man, a plan, a canal, Panama is a palindrome. This is how we need to check the whether the string is palindrome or not. This is about your the 10th program in this lab cycle. Thank you.